Welcome to Ingleside Reviews. If you love discovering versatile natural products, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and stay tuned for more insightful content. Coconut oil has become a must-have in households around the world, known for its versatility and natural properties. From the kitchen to your beauty routine, let's explore the top 10 everyday uses of this incredible oil. First up, coconut oil is a fantastic option for cooking and baking. Its high smoke point and slightly sweet flavor make it ideal for everything from stir-fries to baked goods. Next, as a skin moisturizer, coconut oil's hydrating properties are perfect for achieving soft, smooth skin, especially for those with sensitive skin. For hair care, coconut oil works wonders as a deep conditioning treatment. Apply it from root to tip, leave it on for an hour, and enjoy frizz-free, shiny hair. Have you tried oil pulling? Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 15-20 seconds can improve oral health, freshen breath, and even whiten teeth. Struggling with stubborn makeup? Coconut oil doubles as a gentle and effective makeup remover, easily wiping away even waterproof mascara. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, coconut oil also makes a natural deodorant. Apply it directly to your skin or mix it with baking soda and essential oils for a DIY solution. For chapped lips, coconut oil provides quick relief and keeps your lips soft and smooth. It's an easy and natural lip balm alternative. Use coconut oil as a massage oil for a soothing, relaxing experience. Its smooth texture and pleasant scent make it perfect for unwinding. Looking for a healthier cooking oil substitute? Coconut oil is a great alternative to butter or other oils, especially in vegan or dairy-free recipes. Lastly, coconut oil's antibacterial properties make it a useful antiseptic for treating minor cuts and burns. Apply a thin layer to the affected area to help prevent infection and speed up healing. Coconut oil is truly a gift from nature, offering versatile benefits that simplify your daily routine. Whether you're cooking, moisturizing, or healing, coconut oil has you covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to visit our website for more tips and product reviews. Follow us on social media, join our newsletter, and consider becoming a Patreon member for exclusive content. Thanks for watching.